Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and back for another video, and today we're trying Passion Twist again. If you've been following me for a while, you know how I feel about Passion Twist. OMG, I think they're just the most awful productive style. It doesn't last, it frizzes up, it just doesn't, it looks cute but it ain't practical, and we're trying them again. What sparked this is I'm going on a trip in a few days and I really wanted a new style and I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do, and I somehow landed on Passion Twist again. But recently, since the last time I tried them, which was what, 2 years ago maybe, Passion Twist hair has been sprouting up. So I was like, maybe I should try Passion Twist this time with actual hair made for Passion Twist and a few other new techniques I want to try. So let's just get into what I got. Sorry if I sound a little stuffy and congested. It is allergy season and it is driving me insane, but let's go. So something new I got is already on my head. This is called, I'll pop up the name, but this is from Cantu, and basically it's like a drying towel, but it's like a bonnet version and you can tie it at the front, and I'm actually a fan of this so far, so we're gonna see how that went. I also got from Cantu one of their braiding sleeping bonnets, just typical long braiding bonnet that ties up as well. Some new combs. This is one of those types that have the little empty gap in the front that is to be used for parting. There you go. I already used it a little bit for detangling on the ends, and of course with the metal pick to make cleaner parts, and just another edge control brush because mine was getting a little raggedy. So here's this. This is something that I'm really excited for. I heard a lot of people use this for Passion Twist or even like any kind of protective style that needs it. And this is the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for Braiders by Stasha Harris. And it helps with extreme firm. It has extreme firm hold, cleans parts, controls frizz, no buildup with olive oil and no alcohol, and it claims it's good for natural hair, so we're gonna see. I would tell you how it smells if I wasn't congested right now, so I don't know, but it's probably not too bad. Also for gel, I'll be using the Flexible Styling Snap by Cream of Nature, and I really love this stuff because it has a very tacky substance and it's really good at holding my hair and putting it into the strands of fake hair that I will be having. So hopefully we'll use that. If I use something else, I'll definitely show you guys, but so far I think that's the team I'm gonna use. Okay, for the hair, we're using a brand from Amazon that I saw got good reviews and I saw a couple videos, so hopefully it works. But this is the Toyo Tress Passion Twist hair. I got this in the number 2. And for $35 or so, you can get 7 packs of this hair. So that's all that's in this, somehow all in here. And I already see there's a crochet hook, and they get you some beads and some rubber bands, which these rubber bands are probably trash. So I'm going to use my own rubber bands. And yeah, so this is the hair we're going to be using, guys. I'm really excited. I cut down my nails so I can get a good grip and get all the hair in there, and we're really going to try. We're really going to try. So the way I want to go about this today is I want to do the crocheting rubber band method. I feel like for my fine hair, things easily slip out, including Passion Twist, so I feel like a good grip would be to use the rubber band method and just crochet the hair in. Parting is the longest part, and I've been procrastinating this all day, but I need to part my hair up with the rubber bands. So we're going to be doing that. I'm just going to oil up some rubber bands and get going. So you'll probably see me doing that. Hopefully I can get a good angle. I hate doing this part because I can never see the back of my head, but we're going to try to use the camera viewfinder and use the mirror and get things going. So hopefully this works, guys. So let's see how this towel turban thing turned out. I wanted my hair damp this round. This is only $5, you guys, and it was 20% off, so I'm not mad at this. Oh, I'm gonna keep this in the arsenal. The only thing I'm mad about is this little hangy tie thing. Like, how are you supposed to hang your hair? Where is this going? Okay. I decided to do it this time on damp hair. I wanted to see how that worked. I read some reviews that said damp hair was best. I know that's like totally out the abnormal, but we gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. So my hair is about definitely 80% dry, and then the ends are still damp, so we'll see how that works. I definitely think it'll help with getting clean parts and whatnot. I just want the style to last my trip. My trip's about 5 days. I will be recording the trip so we can see how my hair acts and the styles I put it in. So let's get started with the parting, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm finally almost done. This is the last section. So, yay. I will say, I tried to get some clips of how I was doing the parting, but I could not get the back part on camera. Sorry, guys. Like, if you want a whole video on how I part, just let me know, because that's going to have to be a whole different setup. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But anyway, so, but I will say it didn't take me as long as I thought it would take. It took me about, well, I guess it took me, about an hour and a half. That's with me stopping to like film little bits and pieces, but I am very impressed with this though. This I thought would be like too soft if it would focus. This I thought would be like too soft and like not hold my hair, but y'all, I am digging in this stuff. Like, it is holding, girl. And I like how it works with a little bit of water first, and then I put it in. It's doing me good, so I'm excited. The base so far is doing good, so you know, if your base is looking good, then you're feeling good. Oh, I've been grabbing from these little rubber bands with oil all over them, but I put too many rubber bands. I didn't need this many, so now I just wasted rubber bands, but it's okay. Rubber bands are cheap. We'll buy some more if we need to. I remember as a little girl, if they ever popped in my hair, it would be so irritating. Like, just in the middle of the day, just pop! Oh, that feeling was so annoying. 11 o'clock at night, y'all. 11 o'clock at night. Alright, so here it is. It looks like just a big curly fro. Let me back up a little bit. Okay. It looks like a big curly fro, but these are all the sections, if you can see. They're not like the cleanest maybe, but they gonna get this job done, okay? And they're kind of large sections, so I guess we're going for jumbo. I'll probably come back to you guys once I get the hang of putting these in and I come up with my plan of action. And then I'll come back to you guys. So, catch you in that. Alright, y'all, I'm finally done. This is the last one, and I wanted to talk through while I do this one. So what I have to do is spray water on this section first. Let me turn this. There you go. Spray water on this section first. And then I like to follow it up with a moisturizer. of some shorts. This one has aloe vera in it and shea butter, so it also is like kind of sealing it and moisturizing it at the same time. Then I like to start with I'm bright. I like to start with a layer of this Shine and Jam, which has completely surprised me. I actually really love this stuff. This might be my new go-to for protective styles. But here you go. Then I kind of want to make sure it's like in the center, like the rubber band is actually like kind of in the center, so I kind of shift it a little bit. So I've been going back and forth between 4 and 3 strands. If I had it my way, it would be 4 the entire head, but I didn't have enough hair for that. This is the last pack out of the 7 that I had, and this is how much I have left, which is not a lot. It might look like a lot, but it's not. So I might use a few of these to go back over some other pieces. But yeah, so for this front piece, I'm gonna just use 3 because it's a little smaller piece. So I will say this hair is super tangly. I don't know if it's just my batch or what, but like just grabbing it from the thing, it gets stuck on each other. It's annoying. So I will say that, but I still like this hair. Like, see how it gets stuck when you're just trying to like, it's annoying. I will say I do like this hair better than using like Free Twist or Water Wave or any of those Bohemian Braid or like any of those things. I do still like this better than using that kind of crochet hair. This hair is definitely thicker. It's not as thick as like a kinky texture like a Marley, but it's thicker. But I also, it's just so, the stringiness is what blows me about this hair, but besides that, it's fine. But anyways, what I also like is to stretch it out. You just need to kind of pull it and it fluffs up. Like, I don't need to use my comb or anything. It gets pretty fluffy on its own, so that was useful. I think that's what also helped me get through this kind of fast. Alright, so I kind of wrap it tight around itself because I'm about to put it through the crochet. And here we go. Just sticking the crochet in there like so, and then looping it on. Pull one side through. So now we have this little situation. So I've been trying to cover the rubber band the best I can. I've tried different methods of covering it. I don't have one that I like yet, but the one that's doing me good is taking like a small piece of the faux hair and kind of like wrapping it around the rubber band as best as I can. Just a few times. Like the base. So that's my favorite way. If you guys know any other way to hide rubber bands, let me know. Alright, so then I just kind of separate my real hair and just separate it all into 2 sections. See how it gets stuck? I don't like that. But the end result is really nice. If we can get there. And I just start kind of like Senegalese twisting. So twisting and then turning. Twist, turn, twist, turn. Kind of follow that through for the beginning. And see how that rubber band is hidden in there. And then I kind of just regular twists once I get to a good place. Of course, throughout this whole process, your real hair is going to stick out. So you want to take that Shine and Jam and smooth it out like that so it can blend better. I'm really impressed at how well my hair is reacting to this stuff. Like, see, that's my real hair. And then we're just going to slick it down. Oops. Got a little excited there. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Oh. The ends really concern me. I really try to wrap this fake hair around them so they won't show. And we keep it going. Keep it going. I'm so excited to be done. So this actually didn't take me too long. I think it's because the sections were pre-sectioned, which is making me think of doing it this way for other protective styles. Maybe not the rubber band, but somehow kind of like pre-sectioning before I start. Because I think all in all, maybe 6 hours. That's short for me. Especially since I take breaks and things. Like, it's 2 in the afternoon and I can continue with my day. Like, I have other things I gotta do. And you just keep twisting all the way down. The ends can be a little wanky, but so far I don't have to do anything special for them. They are staying from what I can see. I got the length 22 inches, I think. And they have 18, 20, and 22, something like that. Or is it 18, 22, and 24, I think? Something like that. I got the middle length. And I actually did not expect it to be this long to my butt. So I'm going to have to trim some of these. But anyway, so here's the ends. It's a little scrangly wrangly. So I'm just going to cut off that scrangly part and just leave it clean like that. And we're done, y'all. See, that rubber band's not showing. I did that for this one too. So this one's showing, which is gonna annoy me, but I might cover that up with like a cuff or something. We'll see how I decorate these. But that's it, y'all. So they're pretty long. There you go. This is my butt, so I'm definitely gonna trim them. I was worried about the parting a little bit. I did a good job. Let's see how they look. Okay, so they ended up actually coming out looking full. I was a little worried during the middle of the process. So I'm gonna cut these long parts off. Yeah. I'm looking in the viewfinder, make sure I'm in the view. But so far, guys, I like them, but you know, I don't trust them. I don't trust fashion twists to last a very long time. So my next video, you will actually be seeing me, guys, go to a place for 5 days, and we're gonna see how these hold up there, and that will really determine to me if fashion twists are worth revisiting again in the future. And when I mean last, I mean like the hair is not coming out as quickly as I think it should. Like, again, I'm trying to be realistic. This is like really soft hair. I'm just trimming the ends, by the way. You can see that. I don't want it like all the way to my butt. Here's the final look, you guys. They look like regular twists. They're just a really softer feel. They came out cute though. They're very flat to the head too. Not like knotless, but like kind of like knotless. Like kinky hair kind of sticks up then goes down. This is very like, so I do like that. I'm about to work out with them, so we'll really see. But yeah, give you guys a close up. They're shiny. So yeah, I'm gonna decorate them and all that and keep you guys posted. So make sure to subscribe so you guys catch the next video where I'll be traveling and really putting these things in action and seeing how they act. And yeah, make sure you guys like this video if this tutorial helped you any. Leave any tips you have down below. I'm still learning about passion twists, you know. I'm hesitant about them, but here they are in my head. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this one. See you next time.